AI lip sync is a beautiful thing.
How to create lip-synced videos with multiple characters within Dzine.
It's so simple. Even the king's god can do it.
Brother, such things should not be said.
This is true, my lady. You'll be able to create amazing lip-synced videos too.
Then you must fetch my notebook and pen straight away. One must take good notes.
In this video, I'll show you how I directed the scene from an Esther story using Dzine's new multi-character lip sync feature. You'll see the results, the process, and how you, by the end of this video, will be able to create your own multi-character lip sync stories too. If you'd like to follow along with this video, make sure to grab your free PDF in the school link below this video.
Esther, the decree has gone out. Our people are condemned to die.
I cannot enter the king's court uninvited. You know the law. Whoever approaches without being called is put to death.
Do not think that because you wear the crown, you will escape this fate. Who knows whether you have come to the kingdom for such a time as this?
Go. Gather the Jews in Susa and fast for me. I will go to the king, even though it is against the law. If I perish, I perish.
Wow, that entire scene, every movement, every facial expression, every word spoken was created in Dzine AI and ElevenLabs for the voice put together. No actors, no cameras, no lights, no need for scenes, just you, AI, and your directive vision. Absolutely incredible. What will you create? So here we are in Dzine, and the first thing we're going to do is create the image to text. I'm going to use Dzine's realistic version 3 here, and in here I'm going to put my prompt for a king and choose 16:9 and HQ and generate. And I'll also do a couple of other models here. We've got Midjourney in here now as well, which is absolutely very cool. So we've got V7, or we've got the Ninja version, 16:9, click generate. And then we'll also generate NanoBanana as well, 16:9 NanoBanana. And we'll also do SeedDream as well. And just get an idea of what these different images look like, see which one comes up with the best image. So this is the advantage of having a platform where you can try out lots of different models and you can look through the images here. I've got this one, this is quite nice. This is by SeedDream 4.0. And then we've got another model here by SeedDream 4.0. And then this one, this is NanoBanana. And then here we have Midjourney. I like this one, which I might just have him looking directly at camera for that. And then we've got this one here, which is Dzine Realistic 3, which usually gives me really good images as well. This one's quite good. So we have this shot here, and the first thing I'm going to do with this shot here is crop in on this and use the corner here like this. Yes, with the royal scepter. Perfect. Once that's done, now we'll upscale this. I'm going to download it, and we're going to upscale it by 3 times. So that's upscaling it now in the top right corner here. And now we have the upscaled picture on the canvas. We're going to do the face swap tool over here, face swap, and change face. We're going to redetect the faces here. You just have to select the image, then choose redetect faces. It's found the face, and it's now going to generate this image with my own face on there. Kind of like this one. No, not a fan of those ones. This one is the best. So delete the one that's off there before. What we'll do is we'll also do, so this is number 1. So we're going to do image enhance and portrait creative enhance. And you can see the detail differences there between the two images here. So now we're going to bring this image to life with the audio. And I'm going to record the audio myself with my own voice. In this video, by order of the king, I will show you how to create lip-synced videos with multiple characters in Dzine. Now I'm just sending that over to my computer, and it's now here on the computer. And now with this picture, I'm going to go into lip sync to bring this scene to life. So now with our image here, we're going to go into lip sync, and we're going to do it with a image first, the one that's on the canvas. And of course you can do this with a video as well. And then we select the face here and choose the ratio, aspect ratio, which is 16:9. And I'm going to do output quality of 1080p. I'm going to select my voice, which is the audio I recorded just now on my iPhone. Selecting that, and then I would just give that a quick test.
In this video, by order of the king, I will show you how to create lip-synced videos with multiple characters in Dzine. In this video, by order of the king, I will show you how to create lip-synced videos with multiple characters in Dzine.
So we're going to do this also as a moving video as well. So we're going to AI video, and we'll choose this start frame, and I'm going to use this image and Kling 2.5 Pro for this. I'm just going to say a cinematic shot with a slow zoom in. The king looks at camera with a serious stare.
In this video, by order of the king, I will show you how to create lip-synced videos with multiple characters in Dzine.
Wow, this really shows how Dzine's AI lip sync tool can work across multiple types of features, whether that's real life looking features or animated features. It works very well in both, giving you the option to appeal to different types of audiences. So I've created this image here for the guards using text to image with Midjourney, and then just upscaled it to make it look like this. Then the next step is image to video with this prompt over here with Kling 2.5, and this is the result. So it's got music on there, and I didn't mean to generate the music, but it's fine because we can have that turned off when we do the lip sync. So here we are in ElevenLabs, where we create the voice with ElevenLabs v3 Alpha, and the two guards' voices I've chosen here. And we've got these tags which help to create the emotion or the style of saying the voice. And then the grammatical choices here, like 3 dots and exclamation marks, choose which words will be emphasized and where pauses will be in the spoken word. And then you just click generate down here.
It's so simple. Even the king's god can do it.
Brother, such things should not be said.
And this is now where we'll pick the voices. So we're going to pick voice, and we're going to upload the audio from ElevenLabs that we just created. And I'm going to drop that also on the other timeline, the same audio, because it has both of the speakers speaking here. And this one I'll bring forward to about where. So then we want to remove the part of the reply there and have the reply on the second person. And so we can check how that looks on the...
It's so simple. Even the king's god can do it.
Brother, such things should not be said.
Perfect. Now I'm going to click generate, and that will create that video for us.
It's so simple. Even the king's god can do it.
Brother, such things should not be said.
So once you understand this process, you can create anything that you want, whether that's short stories, AI ads, or animated explainer videos. I want you to think a moment, what story would you tell if you could bring any story to life? Because really that's what this makes possible now. It's possible to bring to life any story, whether that's an old children's story, whether that's another story that you've read in your adult life, or a biblical story of some sort. It's possible to bring to life any story now. Your imagination is the limit. So what are you waiting for? Try this out right now in Dzine, and let me know in the comments below what stories you're going to create. And make sure to subscribe to this channel so you can stay up to date on all the latest tips and tools concerning AI video and design. I'll see you in the next one.